Now we will discuss choosing models for specific agent functions. So very important discussion. So the idea is that not every part of an agent requires the same model. Like an agentic AI application, it might make use of multiple different models. So not every part of an agent requires the same model. Professionals, what they do, they design. So professional design, it differs from beginner design. So rather than using just one model, you can also consider a hybrid approach, wherein for different tasks, you might use different models. So if we talk about tool calling, if we talk about tool calling, so tool calling, it requires accurate intent classification. We have to classify the intent of the prompt. It has to be accurate. And then parameter extraction and structured output. So tool calling, it requires accurate intent classification, parameter extraction from the input, from the prompt, and structured output generation. So often, for tool calling purposes, mid-tier models, they perform well. Mid-tier models, they perform well. And for tool calling, deterministic settings preferred. And schema alignment is very important because the structured output, it has to follow the alignment is very important. Because of that only we will be able to call the tool. Otherwise, tool calling would not be possible. So schema alignment. So for tool calling, now it's very clear that for tool calling, the main objective is to accurately classify the intent, parameter extraction, and structured output. So with mid-tier models also, we can consider the tool calling. So mid-tier model, deterministic settings are preferred and schema alignment is very critical. So for tool calling, mid-tier models, it performs well. If we talk about planning, so planning requires multi-step reasoning, task decomposition, long horizon thinking, and evaluating alternatives. So planning is like a very complex task wherein multi-step reasoning is involved, task decomposition is involved, long horizon thinking, and evaluating alternatives. So for planning, we should consider larger models. So larger models often perform better for planning. So the quality of planning is very important. So planning quality, it determines the reliability of the agentic AI system, the efficiency, and the error recovery. This is often where stronger models are justified. So planning is something which is very crucial for an agentic AI application because planning, the quality of the planning, it will determine the reliability of the agentic AI system which you will be designing, the efficiency of the agentic AI system, and the error recovery of the agentic AI system. So planning requires multi-step reasoning, task decomposition, long horizon thinking, evaluating alternatives. So for planning, we have to consider larger models. For tool calling, we can consider mid-tier models, but for planning, we need larger models. Memory heavy task. So if we talk about heavy task, so tasks like summarizing large histories, it's a memory heavy task. Context stitching, context stitching, it is a memory heavy task. Cross session reasoning, cross session reasoning, it's a memory heavy task. So memory heavy task, it includes summarizing large histories, context stitching, and cross session reasoning. Now what are the important capabilities with regards to memory heavy task? So large context window, we want large context window for memory heavy task, and strong abstraction ability. So for memory heavy task, the size of the model will not matter. Rather, the size of the context window will matter. So for memory heavy task, we should go for a model which supports larger context window. Now that model can be a mid-tier model, large model, or small model. It has to support large context window. So for memory heavy task, we have to have models with large context window. So here for memory heavy task, large context models matter more than the raw size or more than the model size. So regardless of the size of the model, the context window size of the model is more important for memory heavy task.